2026 Corolla Cross manual rear view mirror. Those are garage door buttons. Here's your manual. That's a manual mirror. 16 pin power adapter. Here's the original harness end from your car. Goes into the sensor thing, the TSS. This is power adapter. I've plugged the power adapter in. Here's the female now. So your original goes into this female. Alright, that's it. Now the USB, the power comes off a cord. This sticks up on your cover, but this reduces the watts, amperage to USB-C. This kit came with several cables. This big cover is the second piece to come off. It just slides straight down toward the defroster vent. The first piece to come off lost it. This is situated up here, and you just get behind this part of it and pry down. You can see the clips, one on each side. Clip here, clip on this side, so when it's up around your mirror, pry that down, and then the big cover just slides forward, and then you reverse that to get it back on. But anyway, manual mirror, 2026 Hybrid XSE Corolla Cross, 16 pin power adapter.